Hello and welcome back to IXL tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are continuing on with symmetry, going through the O IXL. So we're starting here with O1, which is just basic line symmetry. So IXL has a few kind of funky IXL problems. They are trying to teach you symmetry here, and they don't give you shapes. They kind of give you objects, which confuses some students depending on experience and perspective and whatnot. So remember, symmetry is just where we have a shape that can overlap on itself perfectly through some transformation. So whether it can reflect on itself perfectly or rotate on itself perfectly, or something like that. So here, if we rotated or reflected this lemon in some way, it does have symmetry. You could draw a line right here and reflected over it, and that's going to be symmetrical. And this is why I'm not particularly fond of this IXL, because you look at something like this, like a shirt, and it looks very symmetrical, right? But they put little designs here, right? Little details like the trees, to where if you did fold it over, it would not overlap perfectly onto the other side of the shirt. So people might get this wrong, or confused, because even though the general shape might be symmetrical, it is not, because of the little designs. So just be aware of that when you're doing this IXL. And then when you go over here, same deal with like the pickles. The box looks kind of symmetrical, but the pickles are not. So you're going to do the lemon for this solution here. Okay, what has symmetry? Any way you slice it, the shark does not have symmetry anywhere. Same thing with the shell. The basketball certainly does have reflectional symmetry across a couple different lines. Okay, the feathers throwed off, so there's no way. The colors throwed off here, cannot have symmetry, right? And then with this captain's wheel, yeah, there has a bunch of different places it can be symmetrical. See, umbrella, yes. Depending on where you rotate it, you can rotate it and it'll have rotational symmetry, or you might be able to draw a line of reflection somewhere. This trophy right here does not, because of the first place ribbon. That'll throw you off again. And then the jewels, different jewels, you reflected it somehow put the line of reflection here and reflected it. The jewels will not overmatch or match up. So it's going to be our first option here. Same deal. No, no, yes. Okay, and oh, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? All right, well, if you fold one side over to the other, is it going to overlap perfectly? To me, it looks like it does, so that is indeed a line of symmetry. Is this a line of symmetry? If you fold that over, is it going to overlap? Definitely not. Same deal. It's slanted for some reason, so no. Looks like yes to me. No. Yes. Okay, so yeah, and that's it. So I'll stop here at 72. It won't let me go any higher unless I just answer more questions. But yeah, this is going to have symmetry too, right? Just same concept. Look at the pictures. Make sure you look at the details, not just the overall shapes, when you're concluding certain aspects about its symmetry, either reflectional or rotational symmetry. So, all right, catch you later. Study hard. Goodbye.